All right, so how you doing today? Today we're taking a look at LoudBody here. This is a limiting plugin with soft clipping, and it's great for your master bus. It's great for your drum bus or other group instrument buses. They got a bunch of presets in here, mix bus, mastering, vocals, pianos, and so forth. Streaming optimized. There'll be links in the video description below. It is on sale, 50% off until March 1st. At Plugin Boutique here, and you do get a free plugin every month at Plugin Boutique. They always change them, so you can check those out here. Get an option, if you will. And of course, these will all change, and the price is subject to change. By the time you're watching this, who knows? But anyways, let's check it out. Okay, so we have the loudness button here, and then we got our clipper here, body shaper, if you will. Input, output, S-link, ceiling, and then we have oversampling here that we could turn on and off. Put our ceiling at -0.1 over bypass. And then we got level match here, which I'm gonna turn on for the moment. We'll bypass it. This is just the track right here. You could hear when it's distorting better because you have the same level, so it's just getting louder. And then we could go too far. And then we turn the level match off to get our loudness, if you will. And then we have our true peak switch here. For our true peak, we have mid and side as well. And again, our oversampling. We also have a high pass and low pass filter. And you can see our gain reduction right here. We also have our presets over here. We could do it for vocals, our mastering bus, which we haven't now, gentle master, if you will. We can also use the level match feature here on a drum kit or something. We'll turn this drum set on, bypassed. So it works great on a drum bus or any group of instrument bus, if you will. And if we look at the waveform of the original drum kit, you can see after we bounce it down, it gets rid of those peaks, the limiting, if you will. The original kit is at -0.2 here. And then we just gained all this headroom as the compressed, or limited one rather, is -8.2. Let's try it on some other tracks here. Bypassed.
No more twisting all my words, no more pushing me down, no more stirring up emotions, no more meltdowns, no more saying that you want to, no more twisting all my words, no more pushing me down, no.
And then we have some presets we can play around with here. Broadcast master, gentle master.
No more twisting all my words, no more pushing me down, no more stirring up emotions, no more meltdowns, no more saying that you want to, no more twisting, no more twisting all my words, no more pushing me down, no more stirring up emotions, no more meltdowns, no more saying that you want to.
So as you can see, we can get pretty loud with it. We can do our level match, which is awesome. So we can really determine if the track is getting distorted or not. Yeah, so pretty simple to use plugin and pretty nice. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below.